Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. Ishmael Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm jumping straight into it. This is for teenagers who want to make money from home. Here is a dope opportunity for you. Chick-fil-A, right, is currently hiring. They're hiring in general, but mainly you don't have to be an adult to do this. You could be, I think, 16. You have to be at least 16 years old. You could actually work from home for Chick-fil-A. Now, this is be like an hourly position, so it's a straight up, job. You have to be able to work at least 3 days out the week. All right, and you need to be energetic. You need to be enthusiastic. You have to be I don't want to say a self-starter because they give you a schedule, but you have to be, somewhat of a people person, very, very friendly and all that stuff. And if you can do that, you should be good to go. Now, the job position title is called a virtual order taker, and you need to be familiar with, iPhones, tablets, iPads, stuff like that. Things that you can use, to do like FaceTime, type stuff, because that's what you'll be doing. You'll be taking orders, via, like FaceTime type apps and everything like that. All right. So a lot of people ask about, how can teens make money online? How can teens make money from home? Especially with what's going on with the whole pandemic and everything. A lot of people are looking for ways to make extra money or start making money, period. Now, I say this is for teenagers, but if you're not a teenager, you still can apply for this position. As always, you already know. All right, I'm gonna put a link below if you want to check out Chick-fil-A. And if they're not currently hiring, depending on when you're watching this video, save the page or save the information and just check it in a few weeks or a month. But right now, they hiring, guys. So this could be a nice work from home opportunity for teenagers or somebody else looking for some money. All right, so hopefully this video helped you out. If you found it helpful, be sure to give it that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.